Guys, my last Perplexity 1-Year Pro video got 1K views, but many people said, not working. And so here I am with part 2, the fully working and updated method. Those who missed it last time, now it's your turn to get verified and grab 1-Year Pro. Guys, if you don't know how to make the ID card, watch my video from the I button, and for Canva Pro, join my team using the link in the description. Now that you have Perplexity Pro, let's make some money. Open the link in the description and download Comet Browser. You can earn up to $150. Hurry, it's a limited time offer, and make sure you use my link to get the reward and just refer your friends and enjoy. All right, guys, that's it for today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Scan. Stay curious, follow Curious Scan, and I'll see you in the next awesome video.